Okay, so now everything is just stuck together. No noise. Sounds so good. Silicone, everything functioning. Timing is right on spot. Hopefully lasts another 100,000 miles. Okay, see you later, y'all.